Hey, it's Will here and I'll cut straight to it. If you want a free copy, completely free copy of my brand new book here, Selling Made Simple, all you gotta do is click the link in the description or head over to salesman.com/book and grab your free copy of this bad boy today. This is it, Sales Nation. I've been working on this for the past 2.5, 3 years at this point. You can see the thickness of the book. It's a big old beast. It's everything you need to find and close more deals in your sales role or as a small business owner. And it's here, it's finally here, and you can grab it completely free today. Head over to salesman.com/book. And if you're not sold on downloading it for free, I don't know why you wouldn't be immediately, let me share a few elements of the book in this video, and hopefully will get you as excited as what I am. Hi, my name is Will and I make Selling Simple. Now, Selling Made Simple, the book contains everything that you need to find and close more deals in the next 30 days or so. It includes the 15 proven step-by-step frameworks that will help you understand your market, get in front of your buyers, explain the value, and then get deals done as well. And if you're unfamiliar with what a selling framework is, a selling framework is just a step-by-step series of activities that lead to a specific result. So for example, we've got a framework for cold calling. And we've also got a framework to do discovery, qualification, and get deals done on a single call as well. It's called the diagnosis framework. The book's perfect for any salesperson or small business owner who's doing deal sizes from around $5,000 to around $500,000. It'll give you everything that you need to find and close more of those type of deals. And the book also covers a bunch of things such as how to sell desires rather than features or benefits, why you need to build specific monthly buyer lists rather than adding random people at random occasions to a sales cadence, the step-by-step process to refine your ideal customer persona or ICP so that you can find more people like that in the marketplace so you get more deals done quicker and easier than ever before. We cover how to multi-thread your account so you got more chance of getting meetings with executives, C-suite of VPs, the people who have the budget to implement your product or service. The book will show you how to build an automated meeting booking machine, otherwise known as an automated sales cadence. The book will show you how to double your cold outreach reply rates using what we call curiosity loops. It'll give you all the step-by-step processes, frameworks, and even the scripts, the words to say, so that you can cold call effectively without any risk of rejection. It'll show you how to drive insane amounts of urgency in your prospects using the reality gap method. We show you how to keep your prospects' attention on calls, demos, sales meetings using the feature benefit desire confirm loop. It explains how to speed up your business-to-business sales cycles by gently nudging your prospects into what we call the buying zone, and a lot more. I could go on for, it's 360 odd friggin' pages, it's massive. I could go on for hours explaining what's in the book. For you, the most important thing is to head over to salesman.com/book or click the link below this video in the description and grab your free copy today. The salesman.com team and myself we've been working sodding hard on this, right? We've put absolutely everything into this book over the past couple of years. So go download it, read it, implement it, obviously that's the most important thing, and go and make some serious money.